morning guys, it is day 2 in Rimini. So let's just explain what happened last night. Basically we had quiz at the hotel and that was really fun. We had like a fresher thing because, as I explained, I'm technically a fresher for a tour, even though I'm in like my final year at university, but here we are. And I also had incest written on my forehead, lovely, because we're not allowed to get with people from our university, and obviously my boyfriend is here, Dave, and he's from the University of Surrey, so yeah. And obviously it's not like I'm not going to give him a cheeky little peck, like, so yeah. Incest is going to be on my forehead for the rest of the tour, great. We're a little disappointed because the plan today was supposed to be to have a netball tournament, but basically it's just got cancelled because they forgot that they don't actually have any netball courts here, so good one. Thanks iLoveTour again. So I think we're just going to have a really nice chilled beach day. Today's going to be the warmest of all the days, so it's a beach day, watch some sports that are actually on, and yeah, we'll just have lots of fun. And we'll see how the day goes. I'm sure it'll be really, really nice. We're just going to relax and have a good time. It's lunchtime now. We've just really been chilling on the beach, to be honest. Look, it's so chill. We're supposed to be doing some sort of like sports thing this morning, but that hasn't really happened and I'm not really sure what's happening. So we're just sort of, we're just chilling, we're just eating lots of food, drinking lots of drinks, having a fun time. That's kind of the last. Okay guys, we're back at the room now after such a lovely day at the beach. It was so much fun and obviously very much like Uni Tour vibes. So obviously a lot of the stuff that we're posting isn't exactly normal regular travel content, but yeah, if anything, it's actually just so much fun and I'm just having such a good day and a good time at the moment, which is really nice. As I say, we're kind of putting the tour company to one side and actually just making this experience as amazing as we can do. So yeah. Tonight I've just got this like denim little dress on and the theme is Minions. So I'm going to be dressed up as a Minion very, very shortly, but I'm going to go to dinner first and not look stupid. And then, yeah, then I'm going to go and join cheer tonight. So I do netball and cheer and I've come on the netball tour, but I also do cheerleading, so I'm going to go and hang out with them tonight. Guys, we're back at the restaurant. This is what we've been served.
They wouldn't serve this in a shelter.
It's so fucking awful. I literally don't know what to say. Like, we paid for this. We paid actual money. The veggie option. What's that? Sexy. Guys, if you didn't work out, the theme's Minions. Hey, here are all my Minions. My Minions. Let's go and have a sick night. We're going on a bar crawl. We're going to have fun. And yeah, let's do it.
Oh, we're going on top. Which one of us is going to be so hot? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Oi, oi, oi.
morning, it's the day after, and last night was so much fun. It was a bit ridiculous because we had to take like a coach to the club, and it was supposed to be like the super club, but it wasn't ever really full, so it was a bit weird. But we ended up having a good time, but we also arrived there super early, so I think we left there quite early as well. But it was a really good night, really enjoyed myself. And anyways, I'm off to San Marino today, so check out my next vlog to know what that's all about and what we get up to. I'll see you later, bye!